welcome back to Happy Apple Core Homestead. Today we are going to talk about motherwort. I will show you up close. Motherwort has many medicinal properties. It is a perennial plant. It can be grown by seed. I have done it many times, but it also spreads by rhizomes. So you want to make sure when you plant it that it is in a place where it can either thrive and grow, or you grow it in pots. It does well in pots, although I recommend a much larger pot than this one. A good maybe 15-gallon pot is perfect, maybe even 10 gallons. It doesn't have to be a huge swath of land, but a 1-gallon pot is not going to be enough to really let it thrive. As you can see, probably, let's see if I can get it close up. We do have little roots coming down. And this is a 2-year-old motherwort plant, and it should go into a much bigger pot this season or directly into the ground. Both the flowers and the leaves are medicinal. You can make a tincture from the motherwort plant. You can also make a tea if you'd like. It is recommended, though, that you do not allow prolonged skin contact, so I do not recommend that you make an infused oil for a salve for the motherwort plant. While there are many medicinal benefits to the motherwort plant, there are some words of caution, and we'll start with those. You should not use motherwort if you are already taking sedatives or heart medication, or if you're pregnant. Motherwort is anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant. Some scientific studies have shown that a motherwort tincture in combination with valerian, hops, and lemon balm taken in the evening can help with alcohol withdrawal symptoms. Assuming you have taken all of the precautions I just mentioned, a motherwort tincture is good for the following things: heart failure and an irregular heartbeat. Motherwort will slow down your heart rate, which is why it's important not to take it if you're already taking heart medication. Motherwort is an effective blood thinner, and it's also good for hyperthyroidism. You can also use it if you're having a little intestinal gas. Many people like to use motherwort for its benefits in reducing anxiety, depression, and panic attacks. Motherwort is also good for insomnia and high blood pressure. It's also good for uterine tone and blood flow, and it's important to note that it can increase and speed up uterine contractions during birth. Now, I personally do not recommend that anybody use tinctures during birth or pregnancy, but it's worth talking to your midwife or your doctor if speeding up your contractions and taking motherwort is applicable to you. Again, I'm not a doctor. I'm definitely not your doctor, so make sure you double check on that. Please do not just take my word for it and you're tired of being pregnant and you're ready to go and so you take some. Please don't do that. Please check with somebody that you love and you trust that has been following you through your pregnancy before you choose to do that for that purpose. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you'll support me by becoming a member to this channel or purchasing something from my Etsy shop, and you can find the link down in my description box. Lots more information coming up soon, and I will see you next time. Bye!